Dr. Uzma Zafar. I'm consultant gynecologist. I'm here to talk about a world epidemic, which is obesity. As per the Global Burden of Disease study, the prevalence of obesity has been increased from 11.6% in 2002 to 26.6% in 2016. So it means that the prevalence of diabetes has been increased twofold, and we have almost 1.9 billion adults who are obese. Why we are concerned about obesity? Because it is a global epidemic. It is posing a threat to the future of our community, to the future health of our general population. So what we have to do, it's been a threat to our national health. So it's a major risk factor for various chronic diseases. It can lead to diabetes. It can lead to the cardiovascular diseases. It can lead to musculoskeletal disorders. Various cancers can arise because of this obesity, and sleep apnea can occur. So it's a metabolic syndrome. It can lead to multiple disorders. Our focus is on this problem because we want a better future. We have to focus not the individuals, we have to focus the communities, and we have to focus the healthcare system overall. सबने एक collective effort करनी है definitely, and what we can do in this regard is we have to spread general awareness. First of all, we have to support the healthy eating practices. We have to promote healthy lifestyles, and we have to encourage obviously physical activity. Because of these the gadgets, because of the digitalization, all the we prefer to stay at home. We have restricted our lifestyle, so we have to encourage the physical activity. Plus we have to seek the resources, and we have to take support from the dietitians, the nutritionists. They have to create the spread the general awareness among the people, so as we can fight with this problem. So I can say that small steps can lead towards improvement. So we have to start from individual, and then we will spread it to the community. So it's the World Obesity Day is basically a reminder for the collective responsibility. So we have to focus on the future of our Pakistan, future of our community, and future of the world overall. Thank you so much.
Leadership through excellence.